Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set keyboard sound in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. Suppose if you want to enable keyboard sound when you are typing in the keyboard of your phone, see here. I am typing in my keyboard but there is no sound. Okay, if you would like to get sound while typing, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone first, then go to system, then go to languages and input and click on advanced, and here select on screen keyboard and select default keyboard and set it to second option. Then click on manage on screen keyboards and select Gboard, and here select preferences and here go to sound on key press. Just turn on this button and click on volume on key press. By default it is set to at this level. Okay, if you want to increase system default volume, just increase, you can maximum use 100% and click on OK. Now go to home screen and go to typing interface and click on next keyboard here and now type. Okay, listen, while typing there is a sound. Okay, so if you would like to include sound, then you can follow like this and you can enable sound for keyboard while typing. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.